Hello, this is Angelica at the Osteopathy and Healing Center. With me today I have Helen. Helen came in with low back pain, headaches, problems with memory and sleep, and stomach issues. So she's here and she's going to share with us her experience of receiving Osteopathic Manual Therapy. Okay, Helen, so what would you like to say?
Yeah, I've been going to many therapists like acupuncturists, like their massage, physio, even acupressure. But because of pain, because of I always feel heavy and have so many problems with my body. But with the experience I have with osteopathy is so different and it's so amazing. Like for example, one side I can only sleep on the right side. I cannot sleep flat or to the left because I can't breathe. But with this, with the osteopathy, with Angelica, she was able to fix it, and I'm so happy about that. And another thing is, I really have a problem with how I speak because it's so tight, my jaw, and I cannot clearly explain or express myself. So with Angelica, with osteopathy, she was able to fix my problem because now I have a confidence in talking. My thoughts I can share, and I'm back with myself that I didn't know that I have that good sense of humor. Now I'm back because I feel like it's easy to talk now. And thirdly, that I experienced with the osteopathy also is I have a problem with my migraine, and because of that migraine, my mood is so affected. Like I am so irritated. I have anger problem and vision problem, but because of osteopathy, though it's not so popular with how I say it, but you know what? I experience. I feel better now. My mood is so changed. Like I'm more into positive things, and I feel so different now because I feel like the pain is less of gone, most of it, and I feel the balance of my body is tuning in. Like I have a, it's like I'm being renewed and restored. So I highly recommend osteopathy, especially with Angelica, who is so knowledgeable. The team with Joy, their team is so great. So I even recommend it to my friends, my relatives, and also, above all, to my family, my immediate family. And I hope.
Thank you so much, Helen, for sharing that with us. So there you go. Those are all the benefits that Helen has received from getting an osteopathic manual therapy session. So thanks for joining and have a good day.